Hello, everyone. My name is Leanne Allegretto. I'm a meteorologist here at the National Weather Service Missoula, and I will be leading you through today's spring planning briefing. Here's our matrix. I know it says winter weather. I would say there's very little of that in this, but you'll see there are some yellow shaded boxes for Saturday and especially Sunday and Monday, highlighting a moderate threat for potential winter weather. And when I say moderate threat, I would say moderate threat for this time of year. If you compare what's going to happen to what happened in February, it's very low, low threat, I would say. But given this time of year, it could pose some issues. So let's get into it. We're entering in a more active period that will last basically this weekend through next week. And the first round of snowfall we're expecting will occur on Saturday. Now, before the cold front comes through during the day, snow levels will begin around 7,000 feet, and so they will drop with the cold front passage. In doing so, we're expecting generally light snow accumulations and mostly along Highway 12 and south of there. So Lost Trail Pass, Lolo Pass, and some of the higher valley locations in north central Idaho will feel the most effects from this. Also, Georgetown Lake and Gilmore Summit down in Lemhi County will see about 1 to 2 inches of snow. And that's if, the full potential is there once the cold front passes. I also believe that this will be more showery, so periodic type of showers equaling 1 to 2 inches of snow, so not a steady snowfall. And I did put a note here to expect fluctuating snow levels and temperatures for the next several days. It's going to be very hard to time when the snow actually starts to accumulate because we're in spring now, and you know how it goes around here. It's just constant up and down with the temperatures and the diurnal fluctuations and snow level fluctuations. So I put that in there even though we probably all know this, but it's a good reminder. And then slightly more snow is anticipated for the Sunday into Monday time period. And once again, snow levels will fluctuate over a 24 to 36 hour period, but for the most part, they will waver around 4,500 feet to 5,500 feet during this Sunday to Monday time frame. What that means is high elevation valleys or mountain passes in that 4,500 to 5,500 range could see a mix of wet snow or a rain snow mix or periods of both. So it could be kind of a sloppy, slushy, slick period of time, especially, Lookout Pass, we have about 2 to 3 inches there, and 1 to 2 inches further south. And then over in Logan Pass, Logan Pass, but no one's up there, but Marias Pass, 1 to 2 inches too. So it's going to be kind of slushy, slick, gross, I would say, for the Sunday into Monday period. So not great if you're traveling, but could be worse. And then beyond this time frame, which is basically Tuesday, April 9th, we are expecting the unsettled conditions to continue with below normal temperatures, and that will increase the potential for periodic light snowfall for high elevation valleys and mountain passes. So kind of the same, periods of nothing followed by periods of 1 to 2 inches here and there, 2 to 3 inches here and there, and we'll cover that in our next briefing, which is Sunday and April 7th, and we will see you then. Let us know if you have any questions.